In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Airtable data to Excel. If you're looking to simplify the process of transferring your data from Airtable to Excel, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the steps you need to manage and analyze your data efficiently in Excel. Let's dive in. Start by navigating to your Airtable dashboard, where you'll find all your bases stored. This is your central hub, showing all the tables you have created. Take a moment to locate the specific table from which you wish to export your data. It's important to choose the correct table to ensure you're working with the data set you intend to analyze. Once you've accessed the table you need, switch to the grid view. The grid view is essential because it offers a clean and organized display of your data, which is easier to handle when exporting to Excel. This step ensures that the data is neatly structured, making it simple to manage once it lands in Excel. With the correct view confirmed, the next action is to download your data as a CSV file. You'll find this option available likely under a menu labeled something like Download or directly as Download CSV. Click on that option, and the file will start downloading to your computer. Now, why a CSV file? CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is highly regarded for data transfer because it's universally compatible with many applications, including Excel. This format allows a smooth transition and preserves the raw data integrity in a structure that both you and Excel readily understand. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location on your computer where the file was saved. Typically, you'll find it in your Downloads folder, unless you've changed your browser settings and specified a different download path. Now that you have the file, you can proceed to open it in Excel. Simply double-click the file, or Open Excel, and choose to open a file from your computer, selecting this newly downloaded CSV. Excel is designed to recognize this type of file format immediately and will open it, displaying all your data neatly in organized rows and columns on a new spreadsheet. This setup allows you to tap into Excel's dynamic capabilities to manipulate, analyze, and present your data without restrictions. However, remember that since CSV files only retain the raw data, any specific formatting or complex formulas will need to be reapplied within Excel. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your data from Airtable to Excel. By following these clear steps, you can ensure a seamless data transition, thereby taking full advantage of Excel's powerful tools for all your data analysis needs. Should you need to export more tables, simply repeat this straightforward process. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.